Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kirkland, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking to move, a cheap Kirkland moving company is likely necessary. 3 Movers is not only an affordable team of movers, but also a team you can depend on. We know how to make your moving day run smoothly without all the issues you might run into doing it all yourself. Our professional movers will help you with your relocation, no matter how big or small. You can get the right long-distance moving options from us, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of options to consider when you need to relocate. A long-distance moving company that can do the entire job for you is a huge help. We can give you the moving help you need to get across the country or 100 miles down the road. A Canada moving company will help make your local move easier. If you want to move across town or to the next town over, it might seem like an easy job. However, it's a huge job and can be very overwhelming. 3 Movers offers the right team of movers for your local move. Our team will make sure you get the best options and save plenty of time. When you move with us, you don't need to do the heavy lifting. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kirkland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.